If you want to save videos from x.com, also known as Twitter, this is one of the easiest ways to do it without overcomplicating the process. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to save a video post so you can come back to it later from your bookmarks. This is a super useful trick if you find a funny clip, a useful tutorial, or a video you want to watch again later. Before we jump in, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open x.com or the Twitter app and find the video you want to save. This can be any post that contains a video you'd like to keep for later. Once you've found the post, look just under the video where you'll see the action icons. You'll usually see options like reply, repost, like, and the bookmark icon. The one you want here is the bookmark icon. It looks like a small bookmark or ribbon shape. Now click the bookmark icon under the video. As soon as you do that, the post is saved to your bookmarks. You do not need to copy the link or download the video for this method. X will store it in your saved items so you can easily return to it whenever you want. After that, to access the video later, go to your bookmarks area. On mobile, you may need to tap your profile menu to find bookmarks. On desktop, you can also find it from the side menu. Once you open the bookmarks section, you'll see all the posts you've saved, including the video you just bookmarked. This is the simplest way to save a video from X without losing track of it. It is especially helpful if you're collecting content for research, keeping track of entertainment clips, or saving useful videos for reference. And because it uses the built-in bookmark feature, it keeps everything organized in one place. So again, the process is very simple. Find the video, click the bookmark icon under the post, and then access it later from the bookmarks area. That's it. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.